We need to determine the value of the trigonometric expression. Let us begin. So here we are given the expression sine squared 42 degrees minus cosine squared 78 degrees. Now there is no standard value for sine 42 as well as cosine 78. So what we'll do in order to solve this problem, we will consider the formula. If we have, let's say, cosine squared of angle A minus sine squared of angle B, so this equals the product of cosine of angle A plus B and cosine of angle A minus B. So we'll use this particular formula, but in our case we have sine squared first followed by cosine squared. So what we'll do, we'll take negative as the common factor. So negative will be multiplied to cosine squared 78 degrees minus sine squared 42 degrees. Now what we can do, we can use the formula. So we get negative of cosine of the angle A, which is 78 degrees, plus B will be 42 degrees, multiplied to cosine of angle 78 degrees minus 42 degrees. That will become equals to negative cosine of the angle 120 degrees times cosine of angle 36 degrees. Now cosine 120 as well as cosine 36 degrees both have standard values. Cosine of 100 and 120, that's negative 1/2, and cosine of 36 degree, that's square root of 5 plus 1 over 4. So that means finally we get square root of 5 plus 1 divided by 8. So this is going to be the value of the trig expression, sine square 42 degrees minus cosine squared 78 degrees.